You're backlighting me. You're giving away my position. I don't have a tactical advantage here. Okay? I'm giving you a lawful order to turn off the light because now you're impeding in my investigation.
If I don't, are you going to arrest me?
Yes.
Go ahead. I'll give it to you.
All right? Listen, just do me a common courtesy, bro. All right? I'll let you record all you want.
Bro, hold the fuck up.
Wait,
I got to
relax.
stop you right there.
Relax.
Where the fuck do
Let
you
me
get
do
off
it.
telling me
No,
that you
listen.
can let me record, bro?
Listen.
You don't have that power.
Listen.
You don't have that
So you're
authority
gonna
to let
continue
me.
to talk- I'm all about the First Amendment. All right? But chill out.
Do you know the
It's
First
not
Amendment?
Just chill out.
Do you know the First
What
Amendment
I'm
is?
asking you to do right now,
Do you know the First Amendment
I'm
is?
not going to sit here and start entertaining questions. They're going to entertain.
You say you're about the First Amendment. Be about
Listen,
it.
dude.
Don't
What-
just
what am
talk
I
about
doing?
it. Be
What am I
about
doing?
it.
What am I
You know
doing?
the First Amendment?
What am I doing
Do you know
right
the
now?
First
What am
Amendment?
I doing
What
right
is the
now?
First
I'm trying to-
Amendment?
Have
You
a
said
good
you're all
night, man.
about
If you're
it.
not gonna let me
Exactly.
talk about it-
Tuck tail, bro.
All right.
Tuck tail,
Okay,
Diaz. That might be one of my best cop watches yet, though. No comprende.
¿Pueden apagar el foco, por favor?
No, thank,
el foco.
no, thank you.
Record, pero nomás el foco no.
No, thank you. I can't see without my light.
What's that?
I can't see without my light.
We're working in darkness right here,
Uh-huh.
and you're blinding me when I'm trying to see over here, man.
No, well, look over there.
What's that?
Don't look at me. Look over there.
Well, I gotta watch out what's going on over here.
There's cars passing by. There's a tree right there.
Okay,
There's a
you're
building.
pointing that light at my face.
I'm not pointing it at your face.
Okay, just turn off the light, dude, so I can see over here. You're blinding me with that light.
Actually, the light will help you see better.
What's that?
The light will actually can help you see better. Actually, if you
No, I don't need the light, right?
utilize it
Listen,
better.
You're backlighting me. You're giving away my position. I don't have a tactical advantage here. Okay? I'm giving you a lawful order to turn off the light because now you're impeding in my investigation.
If I don't, are you going to arrest me?
Yes. I'm going to arrest you. I've given you a lawful order under Penal Code 835A. Giving you a lawful order under Penal Code 835A. Giving you a lawful order under Penal Code 835A. 835A.
What if I point it like
Okay.
this? I'm gonna point it like this.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll point it wherever I
don't
want.
point it at me.
I can
That's
point
fine.
it at you if I want, bro, but I'm gonna point it down like this because you're threatening to arrest me.
Okay.
Hey, dude, listen. I'm trying to talk to this guy, and with this going on, I can't do my job.
Okay,
All right?
talk to
No,
him.
hey, he's telling you just turn off the light. You can record all you want.
I know that.
All right, just chill out, man.
I'm not trying to
Listen,
be an
listen.
asshole to him.
But the problem is you are being an asshole to me because I can't talk to him with you talking over here, and then you're pointing the light. I don't know if this guy's got a freaking firearm.
Like a
hey,
baby.
listen, okay? What I'm trying to say is just help me out to help you out. Okay?
I don't care if you guys
just do me that
record,
solid, please.
Okay? The light.
I wasn't even talking.
No, I get it.
Man.
Just turn it off. Just turn it off. You can record all you want.
But I could actually leave it on if I want, man.
Okay, well then point it somewhere else because you're back. See, look, now I have to deal with this,
Well,
bro.
go deal with that, bro. Come on, dude. Do your job. Fucking idiots. I hate when they try to tell me what I can and can't do, dude. Bullshit. Bro, I thought I was about to get hemmed up.
Yeah, he needs supervisor approval.
Not anymore.
No?
From my understanding, they don't even need approval from the DA anymore. They can arrest you and fucking make you face charges later. From my understanding, and make you.
I want to hear that. I want to know that.
Watch, I'm gonna send you the news article that I found out.
Hear about the new drug law they're passing for marijuana. So if you're employed with the company,
Oh yeah, they can't fire you.
they can't fire you
That's
unless
pretty cool.
you're on duty when if they catch you smoking on duty. That's the only time they do.
What's your name and badge number, man?
Benavides number 1483.
1493?
83.
83?
Yes.
What's your name and badge number, Diaz?
Huh?
What's your badge?
1487.
1487.
Listen,
Hey, I'm gonna tell you something, man. That's not in your face, okay? That's a bright light that's going around. Hold on. Let me say something real quick. When I do this and I put it in your face and I sharpen it up like that in your face, that's a whole nother different, bro.
Face, okay, dude? It doesn't matter.
Man, I can see, bro. If I can't see, I can use my light, bro.
Okay.
If I can't see,
Listen,
if I can't see, I can use my light.
If you're a threat to my safety on a call,
That's some ass shit. Come on, bro.
Okay, that's
Stop
fine.
that fucking shit, dude.
All right,
Let's
that's
be
fine.
real with
Hey,
it.
hey,
Stop trying to hold
he's
on.
not cussing
Stop
at
trying
you,
to
don't cuss.
use that presumed authority, bro. I'll put that shit in check right away.
That's fine.
All right.
You can say whatever you want, okay? If unless you can do something.
I can do what I want to,
All right,
bro.
that's fine.
I can do what I want
Have a
to.
good evening.
All right. Fucking coward, man. You want to act like a coward? That's exactly how I'm gonna fucking treat you. Why don't you go work in Uvalde, where the cowards didn't want to go fucking save the kids? All this officer safety nonsense bullshit. Not everybody is out to fucking hurt you guys, Diaz. Not everybody is out to hurt you guys, Diaz. Not everybody is out to hurt you guys,
Why are you
man.
getting hostile with me?
Because you guys are acting like bitches with me, dude, getting all up in my face and shit,
What are you
threatening to arrest me.
talking about? Hey,
This
you're recording,
motherfucker threatened to arrest me, bro.
Well, him.
Yeah,
Him.
and you got in my face too, bro.
How did I get in your face?
You did.
All right, have a good
Yeah, don't be a pussy like this guy though, man.
Yeah, why get your light out my face? Stupid ass. Fuck you.
So now you want to play games, huh? Now you want to play games?
Fucking child.
Fucking pussy.
Back to work.
Look it. He wants to put the light in my face. Now he wants to put the light in my
Now he's
face.
being hypocritical.
Now he wants to put the light in my face like a fucking child, bro.
Listen.
Hey, instead of putting us
All right, I'll give you a moment, bro.
You're
Go ahead.
not-
Go
you're not
ahead.
giving me the
Go ahead.
opportunity to
I'll
talk.
give it to you.
All right. Listen, just do me a common courtesy, bro. All right. I'll let you record all you want.
Bro, hold the
No,
fuck
no,
up.
wait,
I gotta
relax.
stop you right there.
Relax.
Where the
You're not
fuck do you
letting
get
me-
off telling me
no,
that you can
listen.
let me record, bro?
Listen.
You don't have that power.
Listen.
You don't have that
So
authority
you're
to
gonna
let
continue
me.
to just talk over me?
Well, you gotta watch your words with me, bro.
Okay. Well, it's not about words. I'm
You
trying
don't
to
let
tell
me
you
do
something.
shit,
I'm trying to
though.
convey my thought. You're not letting me convey my thought, right? I'm giving you the time of day to talk. Give me the time of day to talk.
You don't let us
All right.
record either.
Huh?
All right, go ahead,
You don't
man.
let us record either.
Go ahead.
What are you talking about, bro? You're recording.
Well, you
right now.
you
We
just
let
said
ourselves record.
Okay,
we let
you
ourselves
can record all
record.
you want.
Exactly.
All right. I never said otherwise. What I'm telling you is just do me the common courtesy. If I ask you, don't put the light on me, don't put it on me. All right.
It's not
And vice
illegal.
versa. If somebody's telling you that you can't record, come talk to me and I'll go tell them, hey, they can do whatever they want. I'm all about the First Amendment. Right? But chill out.
Do you know the First Amendment?
Just chill out.
Do you know the First Amendment, Diaz?
I'm asking you to do right now.
Do you know the First Amendment, Diaz?
I'm not going to sit here and start entertaining questions. They're going to entertain.
You say you're about the First Amendment. Be about it. Don't just talk about it. Be about it. You know the First Amendment?
What am I doing?
Do you know the First Amendment? What is the First Amendment? You said you're all about it. Exactly. Tuck tail, bro. Tuck tail, Diaz. Tuck tail, Diaz. Hey, your partner stirred it up. Your partner stirred it up, bro. Real shit. Yeah, but you fucking backed his play up, man. Yeah, you did. That might be one of my best cop watches yet, though.
Marie, I have actually read through them all,
Yeah,
but I
they're
don't
very
retain all
important.
that. I don't retain it all. I try, but I am not perfect.
Maybe
What's
your
up,
next-
Diaz? How you doing, man?
What's up?
How you doing? You see your video yet?
Not yet.
Oh shit, homie. They're gonna tell you.
almost had another
They're gonna let you know about it.
You guys have a good night.
Yeah, you almost had one. You almost made
Let's
a
have a
mistake.
good night, all right?
Yeah,
All right,
you
man.
too, man.
See you guys. Deuces.
All right, Snow.
Have a good night. Don't cause chaos.
Hey, Diaz. Quick question, man. I ask every. We'll start off fresh today, okay? You know the First Amendment of the Constitution?
Bro, I got to go to a call.
All right.
I'm not trying to be rude.
All
I'm
right.
not going to entertain you.
One day I'll ask you, and one day
One
maybe
day
you'll
we'll
know.
have a time to talk.
Maybe one day you'll know it.
All right? You have a good one.
Yeah. I have a good one every day,
All right,
man.
Tony, you have a good one, all right, Tony?
Who's Tony?
Keep avoiding the choices.
All right, later, Tony.
Who's Tony?
Questions, dear.
See you in traffic, Tony.
Who the hell is Tony?
You're a dumbass, Diaz.
Hey, Diaz thinks I'm Tony.
First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, stand on my respect. Can't kneel up on my neck, can't search without no cause. Stop questioning my dog, ain't no pressing me. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Keep the camera rolling on me, cause it's public property. I know my rights, I want to do, you know yours. What's the First Amendment? Of course, you got a badge trying to reinforce yours. I am who I am, did what I did, I was where I went. Tax dollars, yeah, I spent, now I miss. Quick to harass me, too flashy of the color of my skin. Side of town that I'm on, or the tents on the Benz. I got rights and I learned the law, I ain't broken it since. I know the pigs just wanna see us in pen. I wonder what does it end? First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, can't duck 12, I tell them everything they represent. Everything they know they not, I recite the document. 1A media, I'll turn you to a superstar. San Juan King gon' educate you by your cop car. Preaching know your rights, cause it's time. You should get yours, cause I'm about to get mine. I'm teaching the course, so come and stand in this line. The footage so real, make sure you catch it online. Crooked or a bootlicker, we know what to do with you. We gon' let you speak your lies, then the truth hit you. Give you some education and some motivation. Cause I ain't gon' watch the pigs just bully the nation. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch, not so quick to call 911. Cause they pull up and they don't care who got the gun. They cuffin' everybody, don't care who was the one. Guess we all Clifford, I bet we all differ. I pay way too much cash to get bullied by the law. Pulling up to the car with your gun, what's that for? Ain't nothing illegal on me, you still searching for more. You better pull that phone out and record, we caught watching. First Amendment right, I'ma speak my mind. I don't care about how you feel, cause I'm living mine. Paid them tax dollars, I put in some overtime. Keep my camera rolling, I don't believe it was a crime. We cop watch, we gon' hold them accountable, they ain't about nothing. Cause we be standing our ground and we is not running. And this is our real life, so learn a lot from it. We cop watch.